Welcome students. In this session we will start chapter number 4 about the layers. Okay, in this infig how to use the layers and what is layers. So here we can see these are the layers one by one, all the things provide each on that is called the layers. So today we will learn this, how to assign these kind of effects in the layer using the gradient tool. Okay, so now first file and click on the new. A new canvas is appear here. Now we are going to draw the circle first. So click on the circle. Okay, it is already white background color, so we are drawing the circle here, small circle. Again we are going to draw the second circle, but only it will be larger than the previous one. So here we can see circle 1 and circle 2 both are here. Here we can say circle number 1. Here we can say small circle. We can click it and double click on that. This is the big circle, or you can say large circle. Okay, two circles are there. Now we want to assign a gradient effect. Gradient means what? It can gives us facility to create a more than two colors at the same time. So you can click here. Okay, and after clicking that you can draw. You can see gradient creation is appeared here. Now which kind of gradient you want to apply? There are 4 types of gradients are there. Okay, blend method, then after we will see, but here gradient in that 1 2 3 and 4 options are there. Right now we will use only first only, right? So this is we already selected default. Now here we are going to select the color. First color means outline color will be yellow, and second color we are going to take as a red. Okay, so select it and click. This is the background color, so click here and close. Okay, now we want to apply that gradient to only first circle only. So click here and try to draw like this. Okay, but you can see this gradient effect is applied on the canvas also. But what to do? We want to apply this gradient to only the first circle. So now what to do? So for that we will select this transform tool, and after selecting the transform tool, click on the gradient. After clicking the gradient on the parameter list, you can find the blend method. By default it is composite, so double click on that and you have to select on straight onto. Once you click on straight onto, the effect is already applied on that. Okay, now the important thing is we have 3 layers here. At the bottom small circle is there, then after on the upper side gradient tool is there, and the upper side large circle is there. But if you want to move those layers up or down, we can move. For example, I want to move the large circle to the bottom, so we can click here like this. It is applied now, gradient effect inside this, because of gradient is on the top. Now whatever you will put inside this, it will be applied. Okay, now second thing, we are going to use the encapsulation. Encapsulation means grouping the data. In the old synfig the word was the encapsulation, but in the latest synfig there is no encapsulation word is there, it is grouping word is there. So how to group that? So select the particular layer using the control key. In this case we want to make a group of only gradient tool and the small circle only, so we have selected both using the control key. Now right click on that, and here you will find the group layer, so click on the group layer. And how to create encapsulation we already learn in this session. In the next session we will learn path means what? To assign a specific path on the canvas. Okay, now see here, if I want to move inside this, if I move inside this, then it will be appear that find also. Okay, like if you appear upside, it will be not effect, but if you drag it here, drag and put here between and after the canvas, it will be visible here. Got it? So this way we can drag it and also assign this effect. Now if you draw the third circle like this, select it and draw this circle here. Okay, it is not affecting because it is outside it, but if you scroll it to the down, it will be affected. See, inside the group if you do it, it will be affected. Like see, now this circle should affect that particular path. Okay, so we can click here and it will be move inside that, upside and upside again, and then it will be inside. So now select it and put inside. like this, you can drag it. Okay, because of some technical problem it is not in going inside that, that's why. Otherwise if you drag it now, then it will be inside, it will come inside, and it will affect the same effect to that particular circle also. So this is called the use of layers. You can rename the layers also like this, double click on that and rename like outside the circle, outside circle, and you can also click it here, right? So I hope you students understand how to apply the gradient. Till the next lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos.